In the previous video, I showed you how to convert a raster dataset into a shapefile using the raster to polygon tool. In this video, I will show you how to create a viewshed. On the Humboldt State Geospatial online website, I'm currently on step 47. However, just for future reference, these numbers sometimes change. In this scenario, I plan to give my homestead a lookout tower. I'll create a viewshed to determine which areas will be in line of sight. The first step is to create a point feature at the center of the homestead. In the Arc toolbox under Data Management Tools, open the Features toolbox. Double-click on Feature to Point. For the input, use the Homestead shapefile. For the output, browse to your working folder. I'll call the file Lookout Tower. I'll create two viewsheds. The first will represent areas I can see from ground level. The second will represent areas that I can see from the top of the tower. In the Arc toolbox under Spatial Analyst Tools, open the Surface Tools. Double-click Viewshed. For the input raster, use the Arcata DEM. For the observer features, use the Lookout Tower. Browse to your working folder. I'll call the file viewfromground.img. Leave all the other settings as default and click OK. When the results are loaded into the table of contents, change the transparency to 50%. The green areas represent land that is visible from the ground at the center of the homestead. To model the view from the lookout tower, I need to add a special field to the Lookout Tower attribute table. Open the Lookout Tower attribute table and add a field. Name the field Offset A. The spelling in all caps is important. This field will only have a number 5 in it, so short integer is okay. Use the field calculator to set the value to 5. Now run the Viewshed tool again. It will automatically find the Offset A field to create a viewshed from 5 meters above the ground. As you can see, the view from the top of the lookout tower allows you to see more. If you plan to create a map layout, you can change the colors of the viewshed so that only the visible areas have color. If the purpose of your map is to serve as a figure in a report or summary, be sure to design the map using an appropriately sized layout, such as 6 by 6 inches. Your terrain analysis is now complete.